This video was made as part of the Year 1 review of the Vivaldy project. Vivaldy is a European public funding project, part of the PENTA funding program, and the consortium consists of partners from Belgium and the Netherlands. In Work Package 4, building blocks are developed that together form the integration and test framework for incremental and virtual testing. Working together with prospective Unit 040, TNOAC, and Verum, Philips is the final integrator of this integration and test framework, and uses this for the development of image-guided therapy solutions for cath labs and operating rooms in hospitals. This video will demonstrate automated fast configuration switching on the virtual test platform. Philips Image-Guided Therapy Systems is situated at the treatment side of the health continuum. The goal of Philips Image-Guided Therapy Systems is minimally invasive treatment solutions, local treatment by using tiny instruments that are navigated through the body. These minimal invasive procedures prevent patients from undergoing open surgery, and allows them to go home earlier. Philips Image-Guided Therapy Systems are used for a wide variety of minimal invasive procedures, such as stents, heart valve replacement, aneurysms, and embolization. The current situation of system-level testing is the combination of manual testing using a real system. And not just one real system. With 14 different C-ARC combinations and 3 different patient tables, the current number of different system configurations is 42. And the number is growing with every release. When a change is made to the system requirements, the introduced risk needs to be mitigated for the whole range of system configurations. Keeping all these different system configurations in-house would mean a costly investment in systems, buildings, and supporting personnel. To tackle this challenge, it is our pleasure to introduce to you the virtual test platform. By virtualizing the big hardware components, C-ARC, the X-ray chain, and the patient table, the virtual test platform holds multiple system configurations in one, and it is able to switch between system configurations in less than 15 minutes. To demonstrate the automated configuration switching on the virtual test platform, we will switch from a system with X-ray field detector sizes of 19.0 inches and 15.2 inches, as shown on the system monitors, to a system with X-ray field detector sizes of 11.6 inches and 11.6 inches. The configuration switch is triggered by running an automated test script in the framework for automated system testing, another of the building blocks of the integration and test framework of Work Package 4. We will now demonstrate the opportunities the virtual test platform brings to the automated test execution at system level, by showing you a few scenarios. In the current way of working, where real systems are used to test on, a test engineer will go to System 1 and starts the batch of tests for automated execution. The test engineer will then, physically, relocate to System 2, to start the batch of tests for automated execution, but now on a different system configuration. It is worth mentioning that this second step, in practice, requires a lot of planning, and, even if the planning is lean, the test engineer usually needs to wait his or her turn. Remember that only a selection of all possible system configurations is physically available to test on. When we replace the real system with the virtual test platform, a test engineer will go to one of the available virtual test platforms, manually selects the system configuration needed, and starts the batch of tests for automated execution. With the virtual test platform, there is no need to relocate. The test engineer manually switches the virtual test platform to a different system configuration, and starts the batch of tests for automated execution. Already a great improvement, but although the test execution itself is automated, there is still a manual action of the test engineer required to switch to another system configuration. By making the configuration switching functionality available to the framework for automated system testing, the switching of system configuration becomes part of the test scripts, and the scenario becomes completely automated. The test engineer starts the batch of tests for automated execution. In the first step of this automated test, the virtual test platform will switch to the system configuration required for the batch of tests. When the first batch is finished, the virtual test platform is automatically switched to the system configuration needed for the next batch of tests. This can be repeated until all combinations of test batches and system configurations have been executed.